In primetime news this evening, education consensus. E-COVID task force agrees on phased reopening of school come October. New test, new procedures. Health authority explains new COVID test kits and new workplace protocols. And COVID death and case count continue to rise. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: would you prefer an executive presidential system of government like the United States or ceremonial president like Trinidad and Tobago?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.